Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right tracks and confirming permission. This avoids takedowns and surprises later. Once chosen, import them into your project and arrange clips roughly where you'll need them. Make sure to audition at reference volume and reduce the music gain by about 10–25% so voices remain clear. If the track is longer than your scene, trim or loop with clean fades. If shorter, plan seamless crossfades to maintain energy. Now you refine balance and dynamics so music supports, not competes. Use automated ducking or sidechain compression when dialogue starts. Set a short attack and moderate release to avoid pumping. Next, apply gentle EQ, remove muddiness around 200–400 Hz, and only brighten the track if it masks speech. Once done, align musical accents with cuts and actions using markers. This creates emotional cues. Make sure to audition across devices. Finish by bouncing a preview and checking loudness and peaks. Target about -14 LUFS for streaming and leave headroom of -1 to -3 dB. Export stems for voice, music, and SFX so you can quickly revise later and save a project backup. If something goes wrong, music too loud, distortion, or missing cues, solo the tracks to find the offender, reset gain staging, and reapply your ducking or EQ. That troubleshooting step usually fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.